Hello and welcome. We are now going to learn how to create charts for data range having multiple columns. Let me delete this chart first and we will recreate it from scratch. We are going to use this particular range which has location wise sales for the sales executives, and the locations are Mumbai and Delhi. And as you must have noticed, we have not selected the grand totals which are row wise and column wise. So let's use our standard method of clicking on insert and we will select column chart, and this time we will use a 3D option. Let's adjust the size of the chart so that we can have a clear view, and this time we are going to use a predefined format, and let's use this one. We will add data labels by clicking on the chart element icon and we will select data labels. As you see, it is not very good idea to have data labels when you have big numbers and there are too many columns. So there is one way out to have these numbers appearing in vertical format. Let's see how to do that. Let's click on the data label. When you click on one of the data labels, that particular series is going to get selected. So when you click on the one with blue, the blue series is Mumbai. So all the numbers related to Mumbai are selected. We'll right click on that and then select format data labels. And here we are going to select this particular icon which says size and properties. We'll click here, and in the custom angle section, we will change this to -90. Now you see the numbers are vertically aligned. We will do the same for the other series, and that solves our problem of the big numbers cluttering amongst each other. Another way to handle large data labels is to reduce these numbers themselves. For example, many a times you must have seen charts or graphs which says numbers are in millions or numbers are in thousands. So in this particular case, we are going to divide all these numbers by 1000 and create a new set of data. To select the range, which is not one continuous range, what we will do is we will first select one part of the range, then keep the control key pressed and select the other part of the range. Now we will go to insert and click on the insert chart option. Let's apply the same format which we used earlier, and we will enable the data labels. So now you see the data labels are much smaller and it can be handled without changing their alignment to vertical alignment. We can also have two different kinds of formats for these two numbers, one for the Mumbai series and another for Delhi series. So I have clicked on the Mumbai series. I'm going to click on the font color as light blue and I'll make it bold, and I will keep this white and just simply make it bold too. So here this helps us identify the two different series wherever the numbers are close to each other. Let's delete one of the chart. I will delete the one with big numbers, and you would have noticed there is a title called chart title, the previous one where we had a title selected by Excel. In this particular case, because we have multiple columns, Excel has not chosen a title. You can have your own title by double clicking on this and editing. So let's say location wise sales report. So now you can see how much business each salesperson has done in the two locations. You can clearly identify which are the salespeople who are primarily selling in one of the locations and which one are selling in both.